Welcome to LongBrainy. This is a channel where I explore ideas born from my desire to make a difference in the world. It's important to note that while some of these ideas may already exist in more developed countries, others are yet to exist at all, and many are entirely new creations of my imagination. All ideas are purely conceptualized during my moments of reflection. I've chosen to share these ideas because, while I may not have the capacity to develop them myself, I believe they hold the potential to inspire and innovate. Each idea may seem ambitious or even unconventional. But remember, innovation often starts with what may appear crazy at first glance. You're invited to join in, brainstorm, and contribute to these concepts. Today, I want to share an idea that is quite personal to me: Grefity, a subscription-based gifting platform. This idea came to me during a difficult time when I couldn't celebrate my wedding anniversary or give gifts to my wife because I was financially strained. This experience made me realize how integral gifting is to our lives and how challenging it can be when we are unable to give due to financial constraints. We live in a world where gifting has become a significant part of our daily lives. Whether it's birthdays, anniversaries, holidays, or just a gesture of appreciation, giving and receiving gifts brings joy and strengthens our relationships. However, many of us have experienced moments when we wanted to celebrate a loved one but found ourselves either forgetting the occasion or lacking the funds to buy a gift. Sometimes, it's not even about special occasions. We just want to do something nice for someone we care about but can't afford it at the moment. So, here's the idea. Imagine a subscription platform that ensures you never miss an opportunity to gift, regardless of your financial situation at the time. This platform, which I'm calling Grefity, allows you to check out 3 gifts each month, based on your subscription plan, making it easier to plan and manage your gifting needs throughout the year. How Grefity would work. Subscription plans. Grefity could offer various subscription plans to suit different budgets and needs. You could choose a plan that allows you to send 1, 2, or 3 gifts per month. Each plan would include a curated selection of gifts that you could choose from, ensuring there's always something perfect for your loved ones. Curated gift selection. The platform would feature a wide range of gifts, from personalized items to popular gadgets, ensuring there's something for every occasion and preference. A team of experts could curate the gift options to ensure high quality and relevance. Automated reminders and planning. You'd never miss an important date again with an automated reminder system. Grefity could keep track of important dates like birthdays, anniversaries, and holidays, sending you reminders in advance so you can select and send the perfect gift on time. Flexible options. You'd have the flexibility to choose your gifts each month from a curated list. If you don't use all your gift credits in a given month, they could roll over to the next month, ensuring you get the full value of your subscription. Convenient delivery. Once you've selected your gifts, Grefity would take care of the rest. They would handle the packaging and delivery, ensuring your gifts arrive beautifully wrapped and on time, making the experience seamless for you and delightful for the recipient. Conclusion. Grefity is designed to make gifting easier, more affordable, and more thoughtful. By subscribing to such a platform, you could ensure that you're always ready to celebrate your loved ones, no matter what. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or just because, Grefity would help you show your appreciation and love with the perfect gift, every time. What do you think? Could this transform the way we approach gifting? Feel free to share your thoughts and expand on these ideas in the comment section below. If you'd like to see more imaginative ideas, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's make gifting stress-free and joyful together.